Hi, this is Rich from New School Piano. We're going to do a special song today for my student Nicole. We're going to do Sing Bird Sing. It's from the Bastien Piano Basic Piano Level 1. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to break this down. Go back up to the music. We're going to show you here. I'm going to play this part first for you. Just keep it right on the music. It's right here. So this C is played 2 beats, and these 2 notes play while you're holding it. So it's, and then the A with the C, which is right here. So it's, and again, the second measure is the same. A third measure is G, A, B, A. All right, come down to the piano keyboard and we're going to show you that. So the first 2 measures. Third measure is going to have on the B flat, and it's going to go like this. Okay, same thing from the beginning. And then the second measure, go up to the music for a second. We're going to do this row, is this. Back to the piano. Oop, the second measure, by the way, it does change a little bit. I'll show it to you. Let me do that again. Watch. Time of that, which is the F and the A with the F. All right, the third row just does the left hand. It's G, G, A, B flat for a half note, G, A, B flat, C. Let me play that again. G, G, A, B flat, G, A, B flat, C. All right, the final row of the music is like this. Like the beginning. And this last part again is. Let me show you that again. G with B flat, C with A, G with B flat, F. Let me play that one more time. One more time, the whole song, back down to the piano. We're going to do it one more time from the beginning. I'll play it pretty slowly, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, feel free to go back and rewind the video and play each part separately. Most important thing, have fun practicing.